Awesome. All right. Well, I appreciate you walking through that information with me. I know it's a lot to give us all of that information, but it kind of gives me a good feel for where you're at today. So as I mentioned earlier, the goal that we have with every one of our customers is to make sure that you feel fully protected from those three big risks that we all face on a daily basis. Can I review those just really quickly with you?
Yeah.
Okay. So typically when we get behind the wheel of a car, there's three things that can happen that we're going to want insurance to help us with. You could crash your car, which is what most people think about. You could injure or kill someone, as you mentioned earlier, wanting to be protected from a lawsuit. But you could also be injured or killed, or your husband could be injured or killed. And I know it's not fun to think about, but that's something we also want to make sure we have a conversation about. So do those three risks make sense?
Yeah, but I've never had my auto insurance company talk about me dying before.
Yeah, they probably don't talk a lot about other people dying in auto accidents either. But unfortunately, in our world, that's just the reality of what we help customers with. On a daily basis, we have customers who crash their car. We have people whose houses burn down. We have folks that injure or kill somebody in an auto accident. And unfortunately, we have customers that get sick or injured and can't work, or we have folks that don't make it home. And we want to make sure that at least you have all of the information of all of the ways we can help protect you so that you and your husband can make the best decision for your family. Is that fair?
Sure, yeah.
Okay. Well, let's start by talking about that first risk, and that's if you crash your car. Just to make sure I understand where things stand, what kind of coverage do you have currently? You've got one vehicle paid off, one has a loan on it, but they're still pretty new. So I'm assuming you guys still probably have full coverage, right?
Yeah, we have full coverage on both of them.
Okay. And just to better understand kind of the way you think about full coverage, what does that really mean to you? If you have full coverage, what does that mean?